Wow. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right. Talking about what are you doing if writing someone you know about, your husband, or 50 minutes, or 1 hours, or 1.5 hours. Wow. Waiting sounds very joy boring, you know what? When I wait somebody, almost 1 hour or 2 hours, then it make me annoying, make me, anger. But sometimes what did I do, about waiting somebody, I spend my time for, because I got my mobile phone, what? And then I read out PDF book, how to increase my Spanish or English, learn vocabulary, increase accent, what? Because waiting 1 hour is very too long. If you have to spend the time for going somewhere, like you have to spend more 1 hour, you have to go to sorry and what? Or 1 hour 30 minutes, 1 hour 35 minutes, you have to go, what? Where? TV. So what for waiting very tall and long? For example, waiting lecture. Lecture very tall, knowing, what? Sometimes when I got making calls, or I call someone, a friend, in Europe, increasing my British accent or speaking accent is very tall also, I think. But when I got bored, what? As human beings, we have a bored, what? So always to solve the board, first I open my WhatsApp, then I tell somebody or my friend asking about new vocabulary like Spanish or Esperanto. But when people doesn't feel anymore, I'm gonna go somewhere where I will go home and increase my English accent. But waiting someone make me very annoying, and then make me very anger for that God. Then how did someone I myself always memorizing, vocabulary, and then sometimes reciting Quran or reading a book, anything about book, but because I have to solve that, when someone very long time. The point is, I hate waiting somebody, but yeah, kind of condition is that guy or my brother or my relative or my mom, but yeah, it's okay, but is it my friend? Seriously? How many single time, how many single minute I'm waiting for you? You don't understand, right? Okay, so the point is, hate for that guy when someone, may speed enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right, any question?